Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see a delicious egg burji with mushrooms. And guess what? I made a masala dosa with this mushroom egg stuffing. So today we'll see both the recipes and now let's get started. In a kadai or pan, add in 2 teaspoons of oil. Once it is hot, add in half teaspoon of cumin seeds. Wait till it splatters and then add in 1 sprig of curry leaves. Next add in 3 slit green chilies. Saute for a while for about 30 seconds and then add in 1 onion. So I have chopped the onions finely into small pieces and then add it to the pan. Now saute the onions until it turns glossy. The onions are now beautifully cooked. So next let us add the tomatoes. For this recipe, I have taken 2 tomatoes. I have chopped them into small pieces and then added it to the pan. So now we need to cook until the tomatoes turn soft and mushy. Next add in half a teaspoon of pepper powder. Along with this, I am going to add 1 teaspoon of garam masala and then 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and finally add in the salt as needed for the recipe. Now mix well such that the masala is evenly coated over the onions and tomatoes. Mix well and cook in a low flame so that the masalas don't get burnt in the bottom. Cook for some 20 seconds so that the raw smell of the masala leaves. So next let us add in the mushroom. So today I am going to add 1.5 cups of sliced button mushrooms. The mushrooms releases the water naturally while cooking, so no need to add extra water for this recipe. Now mix the mushrooms well such that it is evenly coated all over with the masalas. So after mixing this, cover and cook. Stir the mushrooms now and then so that the masala and the mushrooms don't get burnt while cooking. So let us cook for almost 5 minutes in a low flame. That time would be sufficient for the mushrooms to get cooked. Actually, the mushrooms get cooked very quickly. Now the mushrooms are beautifully cooked. So what we can do is move all the mushroom towards one end of the kadai, and now let us break open in the eggs. So for this recipe, I'm going to use 4 eggs. Now slowly let us scramble the eggs and cook the eggs fully. After the eggs are fully cooked, we can mix the eggs to the mushrooms. If you add the eggs directly and cook along with the mushroom also will have more of an eggy flavor. So that is why I have separated the eggs and then cooked. But if you are okay with that, you can definitely cook the mushrooms and the eggs together. Once the eggs are fully cooked, you can mix the mushroom and the eggs very well. Mix well and then cook in a very low flame for another 1 minute. So now the mushroom egg burji is almost ready. So I'm going to switch off the flame. Finally, chop in the coriander leaves to very fine pieces and garnish it to the dish. That's it. Beautifully done. So now mushroom egg burji is ready to be served. You can serve it as it is, or you can also do like what I did. So I'm going to prepare the dosa now. So heat a pan, probably iron pan, and add in a ladle of dosa batter and spread in the dosa very well. Drizzle in some sesame oil or ghee over the edges of the dosa. If you are preparing this dish for the kids, use ghee to drizzle over the edges because ghee tastes just delicious and it is good for health for kids. but even sesame oil is also good, so both should work. So now the oil is being drizzled. Now we can cover and cook the dosa in a very low flame for about 1 minute or until the dosa is cooked. So now the dosa is almost cooked, so I'm going to release the side and edges of the dosa so that it comes out easily. Next, spoon in and add the mushroom egg burji filling. So I'm adding almost around 2 to 3 tablespoons of the filling. So keep the filling over one edges of the dosa so that we can flip and cover the dosa with the other side. So with the help of a ladle, I'm closing the delicious masala dosa. So that's it. Masala dosa is now ready to be served. Serve this masala dosa with sambar, chutney or idli podi. It tastes good with anything. If you like this recipe, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. For more recipes, please visit our website. Thanks for watching. See you all soon in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.